Hello everyone, and welcome to Khoa Nguyen Computer. If you're looking for practical computer repair guides, Windows tutorials, BIOS resources, and useful tech tips, you've come to the right place. On this channel, I share step-by-step tutorials that help you solve real computer problems. From Windows installation and driver issues to BIOS recovery, motherboard repair, and system optimization, every video is designed to be easy to follow. You'll also find a large collection of BIOS files for many motherboard brands. Easy downloads, including rare models that are difficult to find today. My goal is to save you time and help you repair your computer with confidence. Whether you're a beginner, a computer enthusiast, or a repair technician, there's something here for you. New videos are published regularly, covering troubleshooting, hardware upgrades, software installation, and practical repair techniques. Complete. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thank you for visiting Khoa Nguyen Computer. I truly appreciate your support. See you in the next video.